So here we have another unboxing video. This is just so we can have a quick close-up look at these fog lights. Now this is a fog light kit which fits many models and makes of vehicles such as Fiestas, Focuses and Transits and Peugeots, Jags. It fits Land Rovers, it fits all sorts. If you look on our website there is a big list below of what it does actually fit. So this is basically a smoke replacement kit. It's a nice little upgrade if you want to give your vehicle a bit of a stealth look or a bit of a modified look. So what we've got is a fully smoked lens. These are also fitted and supplied with bulbs already. These are E-marked, they are MOT compliant and they are road legal. And you get a supplied pair.